Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a OpenCV Python script which will automatically analyze faces inside your images and simply hide them. So you can see inside this image there are three people and three faces are there. So this is the first person, this is the second person, and this is the third person. So what the application will do, it will analyze the whole image and it will detect all the three faces which are there inside this image, and it will hide these faces. It will draw these boxes, white boxes, on these faces. So now if I apply this Python script here, we are loading this image. As you can see, we are passing this image one.webp image, and just if I execute this, you will see the faces have been hidden and saved as faceshidden.jpg. So now a new file has been created, new image, and if you see now, all the three faces now has been hidden. It has detected all the three faces and drawn these boxes. So this is really useful in situations if you want to hide faces in the image. You can apply this OpenCV script, and you can even change the color of this. Let's suppose if you want black color, you can change this from 000. So now this will apply black color instead of white. So you can apply any color. So now this will be black. So the full script is given in the description of the video. So let me apply to a different image. So this is actually, you will see, this was the image. It detected the face. It works with single face, multi-face. It works with all the images. Now let me show you the actual script. The script is given in the description of the video. So first of all, you just need to install a package, OpenCV Python. So this is actually the package name. So simply install this package. It's a free open source package, and it's a very powerful package inside Python. So first of all, we will import this package. So we simply say import cv2. After that, we load the image. For loading the image, we simply say cv2. It contains this function image read, and we simply load the image. After that, we need to load the models of OpenCV. So it contains this AI models, cv2.cascade classifier. So we basically load this classifier, which will be necessary because with the help of this, it will analyze these faces. So after we load this, we simply do the face detection. First of all, we change this image to grayscale image by calling this, converting this image to grayscale for detection, and then we detect the faces by calling this face cascade dot detect multi-scale, and here we pass the gray and the scale factor. So all these factors you can specify here. So 1.1 I am specifying, and then we have the minimum neighbors, will set it to 5. So this means that a total of 5 faces will be detected. You can change this value. If an image contain 5 people, then it can detect all those 5 faces. So here you can control how much people you want the image. And then we need to draw black circles on all the faces. So here we will run this simple loop. So for all the faces, we will run this and draw a simple circular box. So x plus w, this is simple math going on. So after that, we have detect the center, and then we draw the box. We put this radius right here, divide by 2. Then we draw the circle by using the circle method, and this image center pass the radius as well. And here you specify the color. So 255, 255, 255. This will be the white color, RGB, and then you can even control the thickness as well. I will say 1. So that's all. After that, we just need to save this image. So we save the result by calling this function image write, and we simply say here output dot webp, and then we simply save this image and print out that image saved as. So that's all this script does. So let me delete this image and once again run this. So as soon as I run this, you will see image saved as output.webp, and you can see it detected these faces. First of all, it detected these faces. Now we need to actually draw the circles here. So for doing this, I think I made some kind of mistake here. I think a typo mistake is there. Let me just see. The full script will be given in the description of the video, guys. So yeah, so you can now see there was a typo mistake. So now it detected these faces and drawn these white circles. You can change the color as well. So this is a very useful script, guys. You can do this with any image. If you don't want to reveal the faces, you can run this Python script and it will detect the faces and hide them. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.